Your business is growing and so is your workforce. That's good news. Except now you're managing lots of jobs and employees and it's all becoming too much to keep up with. Did Lewis make it to the generator job on Mangrove? Liam said Mary isn't on the job site yet, but you can't get a hold of her. Clockshark's Who's Working Now page solves these challenges with an easy-to-view list of everyone who's currently clocked in for work that includes their GPS location. It's easy to see who's working throughout the day since everyone who's currently on the clock will appear with their most recent locations on the map. Use the filter to check on the whereabouts of specific departments and locations. Not only can you see which job and task your staff is working on, but the length of time they've been there. No more wondering if your team is at the right place at the right time. And in case of emergency, see who's nearby with our GPS track feature. You can see each team member's most recent location here, so you can get someone to the site quickly without the hassle of tracking people down. The GPS track feature shows you a breadcrumb trail of the locations an employee has gone during their day of work, along with a timeline. The location's accuracy radius is reported directly from their mobile device and available to you with every ping. If you notice an employee forgot to clock out, you can clock them out from here so their time is correct on their timesheet. And any notes uploaded during the clock-in will be visible along with attachments. You even know how they clocked in. This icon tells you what method was used for tracking time, so you know if a fellow crew member clocked them in with CrewClock or if an office employee clocked in from the web. Another great thing about the Who's Working Now page is it's also available on the mobile app, so when you're on the go, you still have a window into the exact whereabouts of your team in the field. With all this information at your fingertips, you spend more time getting new jobs and less time managing them. Stop wondering and start knowing with Clockshark's Who's Working Now.